Guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create graphs and charts in the WPS sheets. So what you need to do first is open the W Office application and then go to the Sheets tab in here. Click on blank to start a new spreadsheets. And in here, to easily create graphs or chart, you can just simply go to insert at the top, and here you'll find there's this options to add chart or graph. So you can just choose which one type charts or graphs that you want. You can go with column chart, area chart, combo, bar chart, line chart, pie or donut chart, and also this X and Y scatter chart, radar, stock, and a bubble. You can also add spark lines in here. For example, I'm going to just go with the column chart. You can just click on it and choose the type of chart that you want, and then you can modify it by clicking on the settings, and here you can just uh, add some data first so that the chart will be created. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.